Hello all. Today let me explain you about sole trading concern. A sole trading can be explained as a kind of business or an organization that is owned, controlled and operated by an individual who is the sole beneficiary of all profits or loss and responsible for all risk. It is suitable for small business at least for its initial year of operation. For example, hair salons, small retail shops, small food joints, local grocery shop, etc. Let's discuss features. Formation and closure. This type of business organization is formed by the owner himself. Legal formalities are required, or the owner should have a particular license or a certificate to run the business. The owner can close the business at his own discretion. Liability. The sole owner has unlimited liability. The owner is himself liable to pay all the liabilities. For example, a loan taken by the owner of the saloon responsible for the repayment of the loan to the bank. Next is sole risk bearer and profit recipient. A sole trader is only the one who bears all risks which are related to its business. All the profits or losses which are earned from the business are to be enjoyed by the sole owner. Control. All the rights and responsibilities lie with the sole proprietor. That is why he controls all the business activities. He can modify his plans and plans accordingly. Lack of business continuity. Death, physical alignment, insanity of the sole trader will directly affect the business or it may cause shutting down of the business. Advantages. Some of the advantages of sole proprietorship. Quick decision making. A sole trader has the freedom to make any decision. They don't have to take the permission of others. Next is direct incentive. A sole trader directly has the right to have all the profit or benefit of a company. Ease of formation and closure. A single proprietor can enter the business with minimum legal formalities. No staff. As there are no staff on hand, the owner also takes all the profits made by the business and all financial information is kept private. Limitations of sole trading concern. Limited resources. Resources of a sole proprietor are limited to his savings and borrowings from the relatives. Banks also hesitate giving the long term loans. Life of a business concern. The owner and its business is the same entity, and due to lack of successor, the life of the business is limited. Due to death, insolvency, illness of a proprietor gives a detrimental impact on the business, which results in closure of the business. Unlimited liability. The major demerit of a sole proprietorship is that the owner has unlimited liability. Taking a large amount of loan is too risky and also put the burden on the sole owner of the business. Thank you.